guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Okay, let's see how it goes. We'll see how it goes because I don't look una reggae. It don't too much. Una reggae don't too much. I want to make a pronouncement. Say una reggae don't too much. This is the time I want to use my blues to disturb una reggae. Whether I choose to believe it or not, I'll be waiting for nobody to katatakuna like never before. Una own don't too much. I mean they talk and say una own don't too much. Una own too much. Make una take una bagbati enter house. Make una take enter house because what I go do all of una, 12 una I call their name for here. What I go do 12 una put together. And never forget if you pit toilet too. And never forget pit toilet too. Never forget Usadeo. Because I will take and say rap all of una now to collect. And the one now, this is not a joke a day. No, this is not a joke a day. Rita, shut up, go inside house and go hide the shame. My joy, your Payshow is not and void. And the talk and say it didn't know and void. Shut up, go inside house and hide. I never put shame. If you hide, I'm not going to put shame. But if you don't hide, I will put double shame on top of it. Because we do not get sense. We don't get sense. All of you don't get sense. I will to beat all of you now. The way I to beat all of you now, I will say that I shall not go walk. No juju go walk. The way I will to beat all of you now, put together. I tell now small. I never see that called talk now. Stories. Now this is the joke. I'm not hungry. I'm not waiting for Payshow. I don't work. I don't pay my dues. But if I come for una, all of una, if I come for all of una, there will be no hiding place for all of una. I'm not joke. So I say no get sense. Small, they talk to no one gets sense. Una hide, una story not good. No, see they come out, they do dunga, Payshow, record person without his consent. His or her consent. What a shame. What a big shame and disgrace. What a iota of idiotic people. What a shame. Why are this dispensation the think of reparation of black people in America? How to get reparation for black people in America? And now I call see my people. They misbehave. What a shame. You that cannot even follow the policies of the land to get passport of any country you belong to. You did there. Based on say they usually exist there, they keep you there. You've never done anything spectacular, great, upon the land, apart from Facebook. When a small boy bring come, now they call this war, they show the world on folly. They show the world on stupidity. Any app, TikTok, on a good day, they show on stupidity to the world. What a useless people. What a useless race. What a big disgrace. The last race upon earth. If nobody not tell us una be the last race, una know una be the worst of the worst race on the earth today. The Chinese are doing great. The Asians, the Indians are doing great. I can't come to the world, nothing to offer, just to exhibit foolishness. No, still they think upon una folly, so una be great people. What a great disgrace and shame. If you no get sense, I go teach you now. For this Facebook, they teach you now, say, una be fools. Una go wake up from a slumber. But una wake up and think better. Rita, if you not put yourself right, you will collect water. I will beat you here with fast. Me with you. We'll go to postgraduate and PhD and whatever. In this your stupid English way to say you get. I will teach you better. I'm going to teach you better, much more better. I'll teach your Zimbabwe husband better as well. I'm going to teach him better. I will educate him. I will teach him the history of Africa, the history of our 400 years of slavery worldwide. We are all black men. I'm going to educate him, if need be. What's fucking wrong with you guys? Just make her just suspect I come to my level and just miscafon, misbehave. God have mercy. What happened to the black race? After 400 years of slavery, you can never get the set back. You just sit there, they give you chair. You cannot hold glory for 1 year. What a shame. What a shame and disgrace upon that chair, Queen Rita. I tell you, that chair, when the chair go break, the leg don't wave already. Don't wave. I come with facts, not with a bias or sentiment or supporting anybody. If Lord do anyhow today, I will come on air. I'll tell Lord, say, is something wrong with you? Position yourself. Immediately. That's what I will do. I have no biases against anybody. All I do to project the greatness of Africans. Not for nobody. On this case, now you are found wanting. Now this place I hope for you. Patience you not get. Humility you not get. You were so anxious to become so great. You want to become everything overnight. That's my beef with you. Can you just wanting greatness overnight without paying dues, without respecting, without even having patience? You want to become great. If I beat you, I not see anybody for this Edo Sabbath place where we feel we stand my comprehension, my knowledge, constant stand with facts. While they beat you, I don't have any iota of. I only respect people when they talk truth. I the key with them, but as I did, I be one man squad. Not because say you see me from Victor get friendship today. I'm not afraid of Frank Victor. Frank Victor will never even near my territory. He never born away. He near my territory, I go give him water. I'm not there for that too much saga because they talk. I go beat you with facts. I will tell you, say, I be man of integrity, man of honor. Nobody on this Edo cyber space want to talk to. Nobody. Feel like maybe they get 50 million views. There's nobody I cannot talk to, if need be. With that being said, that being done, what am I saying in essence is, Rita, he pay me for you. He pay me. Say you will while they groom to become somebody, you just gawk. Do your video, call your Rotarians, they talk. Some of them they come my inbox, they kind of try to abuse or whatever, try to convince me. I'm not convinced. I will never be convinced. I'm done, seriously done with your ideology right now. You need to go back home, put yourself right. My message to you, I'll be out later in the day. At this street, you know, say me, I'll be person with the stay house. I'll not be man with the stay house. I'll be man with the move. I have a lot of things to do. A lot of things to do outside. My wife don't come and say food already. But I still need to be outside because I have to treat some people, right? I'm not a man for my family alone. And they put everybody, position them where they belong to. I'm not going to up this video. Let you see what I will do right now. I'm a man. Let me show you what I will do. I'm a man with integrity, with honor. Anywhere I enter, people will respect me. I paid my dues. If you never get passport for Europe, don't talk. But if you want to talk small, not talk too much. If you get money, go back home. But if you want to see for Europe side, make sure you hold that one, the red passport. Passport important too, because you can move to Ireland, UK, Canada, US. It's highly important. If you never build yourself to that level, don't talk anyhow. Don't talk when men they talk. People like me, if I want to move now, tomorrow morning they buy tickets to anywhere I want to go for the world. Now I'm not a thinker. Ticket, wherever I want to go, I don't move. Where they find visa? Go to the police center. I'm the Don. The Don, now they talk. Yeah, my boys. That means numerati. If you never chop belle full, not talk where Andrew Ruffin where they talk. If you never chop belle full, not talk where they talk. You got to chop belle full before you talk where they talk. You go hold your side strong. You go hold passport. You go hold, if they say account, you go get about 10 million for Bongo, you go get 50,000 for this side. Or 20 million for Bongo. These are miscellaneous expenditure. Because I talk. Happy. Okay, go. Bravo. I not be una mate too. Seriously, I not be una mate. Those who they call their papa Mr. Vino, I not be una mate. I go feed una generation rate of both for 100 years. My people, may I drink my tea already. Rita, hear what? Lolo, four step ahead. 4 steps. The first I said that 3 steps. 4 steps ahead. Rita, go back, go relax. If you never reach, don't even try to be. You know if you reach. We are the dawn. When you see me tell you say